With just a few clicks, you can create professional logos, stunning AI art, and edit photos like this, all with Dzine AI. Hello everyone, I'm Thomas, and today we're diving into Dzine AI, formerly Stylar AI, a game-changing AI design suite that simplifies image generation and editing for creators of all levels. What is Dzine AI? Dzine AI is an AI-powered design platform that combines image generation, editing, and styling tools into one intuitive workspace. Initially launched as Stylar AI, it rebranded to focus on democratizing professional-grade design for marketers, artists, and businesses. What is Dzine AI doing? Dzine AI focuses on streamlining creative workflows, text-to-image generation, transform prompts into photorealistic images, 3D art, or vector graphics using styles like Flux or Cyberpunk. Layer-based editing, adjust layouts, add objects, or modify colors with Photoshop-like layers and AI-powered tools like generative fill. AI photo filters, convert photos to cartoons, anime, or retro styles while preserving details. Vectorization, turn sketches into scalable vector files, SVG for logos or merchandise. Face clothing, swap, seamlessly edit portraits or product images with AI. Price, the Dzine AI uses a freemium model, free tier, 100 initial credits plus 30 daily credits. 1 credit equals 1 image. Beginner plan, $8.99 per month. 900 credits, watermark removal, 1 GB storage. Creator plan, $19.99 per month. 3000 credits, video generation, SVG export. Master plan, $59.99 per month. Unlimited credits, 100 GB storage, priority support. How to use Dzine AI lets create a product mockup in under a minute. Sign up. Visit Dzine AI. Use free credits to start. New project. Choose text to image. Select product photography style. Prompt. Type modern perfume bottle on marble table. Luxury lighting. Generate and refine. Use structure. Match to tweak composition. Generative fill to add flowers. Export. Download as PNG up to 6144 pixels resolution or SVG for print.